Hi, this is an update to my electronics project that I'm currently working on, where I'm converting a control unit from a BMW iDrive infotainment system for use with a computer. Let me give you a short little overview of the hardware that I'm using here. This is the actual control unit. Then the signal from that goes into a CAN bus shield board, which basically converts the CAN bus communication to serial protocol, which can then be used by the Arduino to generate HID input events to control the computer. So let me show you what I've achieved here. For starters, there's a touchpad on top of the controller, which obviously can control the cursor. As you can see down here, there's for every touch polling event, there's an output. And as you can see, we not only can move the cursor, but we can also click and change windows. But there's also multi-touch functionality. So with 2 fingers, I can scroll through the code here. And I've additionally implemented all the buttons that are on this controller. I can show you here, there's an editor window, and each of these buttons is essentially just mapped to a single character that's being sent to the computer. There's also tilting the iDrive knob in all 4 directions. And lastly, you can rotate the knob to get an additional input. So as you might have noticed, I haven't shown the media key so far. That's because this essentially acts as a modifier where there's an additional layer of inputs once the media button is held. So there's media volume up and down. There's also next track and previous track. And lastly, there's also pause and play. So this is where we stand. I have currently no further plans what to integrate next, but there's obviously a lot of potential for macros, for additional abstraction layers, and maybe even finger gestures. Alright, thank you.